Classical Islamic architecture is renowned for its intricate geometric patterns, domes, and minarets. Key features include the use of calligraphy and arabesque designs. In grammar, mastering the progressive verb tense enhances sentence fluidity. Morphology focuses on the root graph, essential for understanding words like autograph. Spelling proficiency is crucial for academic vocabulary, ensuring precise communication. Explore the grandeur of classical Islamic architecture through key features like the mihrab, minaret, and dome. Delve into the artistry of Arabic calligraphy and geometric designs, and appreciate the elegance of arches and arabesques. Engage in activities to deepen understanding of sentence types, root words, and academic vocabulary, enhancing both language skills and architectural knowledge. Islamic architecture is renowned for its distinctive features. The mihrab, a semicircular niche, points toward Mecca. Minarets are tall towers for the call to prayer. Domes symbolize the heavens. Calligraphy and geometric designs create an impression of infinity. Arches, like the double and pointed arches, add elegance, while arabesques intertwine nature-inspired motifs. The classical age of Islam was marked by architectural marvels that were both imposing and graceful. Courtyards provided tranquility, while geometric patterns and arabesques inspired awe. Manuscripts flourished, stored in elaborate storehouses. Structures subtly intertwined with nature, creating an infinite expanse of beauty. This era was prosperous, with architecture that was both successful and widespread. The two main branches of Islam are Shia and Sunni, originating from a civil war between Ali and Muawiyah, and Muhammad's sermon about Ali. The Umayyad Caliphate faced opposition from Shias, who believed the caliph should be a descendant of Muhammad. The Abbasid dynasty, descended from Muhammad's uncle, marked the Islamic Classical Age. During the Islamic Classical Age, Muslims experienced a period of prosperity and cultural flourishing. This era was marked by impressive architectural achievements, such as geometric courtyards and imposing structures. Manuscripts and knowledge flourished, with storehouses preserving vast amounts of information. The era inspired awe through its elaborate designs and intertwined cultural advancements, creating a legacy of tranquility and intellectual growth. The Islamic Classical Age was marked by significant achievements in various fields. Muslims excelled in science, mathematics, and architecture, creating intricate geometric designs and awe-inspiring structures. Their manuscripts preserved knowledge, while their storehouses safeguarded resources. This era was characterized by prosperity and cultural flourishing, with a focus on education and intellectual growth. The Umayyads were defeated by the Shias, followers of Ali. However, the Umayyad Caliph escaped to Spain, where they continued to rule. This led to the rise of the Abbasid Caliphate, which took over after the Umayyads' defeat. The Abbasid Caliphate, lasting over 500 years, was notably stable, fostering a diverse society where Jews, Christians, and Muslims coexisted in vibrant cities. The vast Islamic empire facilitated the exchange of ideas from Europe, the Middle East, and Asia, leading to significant accomplishments. Architectural masterpieces like the Dome of the Rock exemplify this cultural synthesis. In the Classical Age, Baghdad was a hub of knowledge. Scholars had access to a vast collection of ancient texts and engaged in vibrant debates, fostering an environment ripe for discovery. This intellectual synergy led to significant advancements in science, philosophy, and mathematics, illustrating the profound impact of accessible knowledge and collaborative discourse. Let's explore Islamic architecture through an engaging game. Students will identify features in projected images, referencing the Islamic Architecture Poster for definitions. Teams earn points for each correct element identified. Bonus questions test their knowledge further, rewarding correct answers with extra points. This interactive approach deepens understanding of Islamic architectural elements. Minarets were not for spotting enemies. They called Muslims to prayer. The Dome of the Rock is correctly identified. Mihrabs face Mecca, not Medina. Islamic art avoids depicting Muhammad. Geometric patterns symbolize the universe's infinity. The Abbasids relocated the capital to present-day Iraq. Medieval cathedrals are not Islamic architecture. Arabesque patterns intertwine plant motifs. Students will practice forming sentences using different types: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Each group will create sentences for words like pony and lighthouse, ensuring each student writes their own. This exercise enhances understanding of sentence structures and the progressive tense crucial for effective communication. Let's explore sentence types using specific words. For imperative, burn the evidence. Exclamatory, what a huge mosquito. For declarative, the bear is hibernating. Interrogative, is the olive ripe? Finally, a declarative with a question. The caravan is arriving, isn't it? Now let's delve into the progressive tense, contrasting simple and ongoing actions. Students, let's practice using the present progressive tense. For the verbs write, eat, and look, fill in the blanks with the correct progressive form. For example, Maria is writing her autobiography. Now, create your own sentences using juggle, run, and poke with the given pronouns. Share your sentences with the class. The root graph originates from ancient Greek, meaning something written or drawn. Students should recall examples like biography, paragraph, and bibliography. On activity page 22.2, students will write sentences using these words and collaborate with partners to identify the correct word for given sentences, enhancing their understanding of graph words. Students will practice using spelling words in context. On activity page 22.3, circle the part of speech for each word: guilty, diverse, integrity, and conquest. Indicate your choice by holding up fingers: 1 for verb, 2 for noun, 3 for adjective. Complete the activity with a partner, ensuring each student finishes in their activity book. Integrity is a noun, representing honesty and strong moral principles. Conquest, also a noun, refers to the act of conquering. Use collapse in a sentence to describe a sudden failure. Governor denotes a political leader. Humiliate means to embarrass. Illiterate describes someone unable to read or write. Combine hyena and fray to depict a chaotic scene.